And we are live. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening here in the Philippines. Wherever you're tuning in, thank you for watching. I'm Lori, the face behind Life with Lore business page, a former OFW, a proud mom of two, and now a digital business owner. I just want to share something very personal and inspiring that really moved me last night. I was so blessed to be a guest on episode 11 of Bagong Umaga, Bagong Pag-asa, hosted by Maria Santos from Canada. And guess what? Maria is 70 years old. She started this digital business at the age of 65 and now she's 70. At 70, she's still showing up with so much faith, wisdom, and joy. Sobrang na-inspire ako. She's a living proof that age is just a number and that it's never too late to chase your dreams. To be honest, I used to feel like I failed. As an employee, I gave my best. I work hard, sacrifice time away from my family, but deep inside, I knew I wasn't living my life to the fullest. Parang laging kulang. Laging pagod, parang laging takot maubusan. But when I listened to Maria's story, something inside me lit up. She reminded me that there's still time, that my story is not yet over. She said, it's never too late to start living the life God really wants for you. And I believe that now with all my heart. I want to live long like Maria. I want to be strong, healthy, and fulfilled, not just for me, but for my kids who can see me thriving and my mama who can see can see me finally succeed. I want her to know that her daughter, Lori, didn't give up. Kahit na ang tagal ko naging empleyado, kahit feeling ko dati, I was always running in circles. Now I'm choosing a path that gives me purpose. Now I'm building something that I am proud of, not just for income, but for impact. So if you're watching this and you're wondering if it's too late, please listen to this. It's not. It's not. You don't have to be stuck. You don't have to settle. You still have time. And if you want, this could be your turning point. If Maria can do it at 65, ikaw din. You just need to start small, start scared, kahit takot, basta you just start. The best is yet to come. Direct message me if you want to explore our digital business. Earn smart, live free. Till next time. Bye-bye.